Okay, I just saw this 4 month GLP-1 transformation and wow, look at that confidence change. This is what I'm talking about. This is what sustainable weight loss looks like. 4 months on GLP-1 and she's not starving, not miserable, and not obsessing over every bite of food. I've been there with the constant food thought, the willpower battles, and just feeling like my body was working against me. GLP-1s like semaglutide literally quiet that noise in your brain. That is not just weight loss, that is freedom from food obsession. But here's what everybody's asking in the comments. Is this real? Will it last? And honestly, with the right medical support, yes. Because transformations like this, they're not about willpower or crash diets. They're about finally having your biology work with you instead of against you.